bro. You don't even realize how much time you're wasting on shorts, YouTube, Netflix, all of it, bro. And this is the reason why you can't get shit done. But don't worry, there is easy fix and you will know about it before you leave this video. So make sure to watch until the end. And before that, here's the easy fix that you can implement today, right here, right now. So start scheduling your days using Google Calendar. Now, what this does is it removes the headache of thinking what to do, or it removes the headache of planning. Because let me be honest, you are wasting way more time than you realize on just thinking what to do. So, what you can do right here, right now, is go to Google Calendar. If you don't have Google Calendar, you can use any other calendar app and go plan your day right now. At least the rest of your day or tomorrow if you're watching at night. That's the actionable step right now. Pause the video, go plan your day or plan tomorrow. And listen, ma'am, your time here on earth is a short one. You only live for like 70, 80 years. That means that your time is finite. So you can't just be living like a party boy and going to parties, drinking all night, or just playing video games all day. You can't be doing that because that's not the point of this realization. The point is you only have so much time to make a meaningful contribution because you're not born here to just sit around, loiter, drink, or just do some leisurely activities. You're not born here for that. You're born here in this world to do something. And you only have this specific time frame in which you have to make this meaningful contribution. And past that, you can't really do it. And that's where regrets come from. Because people always kind of say, like, hey, I wish I had done that. I wish I had done X. If you're young, you only have time. Like, you don't have wisdom, you don't have experience. The only thing you have is time. So you've got to utilize it properly, right? Because if you're wasting the only resource you have, that's kind of retarded. But also, don't waste your time thinking about the future either. Because you can very well waste more than half of your life living the future or the past and regretting past mistakes or planning the future. But we don't want that, right? We want to save time. So, in order to do that, you've got to be present. Because, see, the past is gone, the future is unpredictable, and the only thing you have is the present. So don't lose the present by just going to the past, regretting mistakes, or living the future of just planning. You can't fit in with the crowd and stand out at the same time. They're literally opposites of each other. Now, let me ask you a question. Do you want to continue living like this? Hmm? Do you want to continue living like a piece of shit, playing video games and watching Netflix and binging junk food? Tell me honestly, bro. Don't gaslight yourself. And chances are, probably not. I know you feel like shit. I know you feel like you have no energy to do shit. I know you feel like you have no motivation because I've been there. I also used to be a video gamer and I know how it feels like. You're kind of not really happy but not really sad and you're living kind of this bland existence. I've been there, bro. And life feels purposeless. It feels like there's nothing to it. But that can change if you quit social media. Because social media is not only just taking away your time, but also your joy. If you're gonna be around video gamer friends and people who just live this kind of bland existence of just eating junk food, binging Netflix, playing video games all day, if you're gonna live around people like that, you're gonna become like them. Because even if you think you're mentally tough, you're still going to be influenced. Your habits are still going to be influenced by these five people that you surround yourself with. But if you're going to be around disciplined people who are willing to improve and who are resilient to all these kind of bad habits, then you will too become more disciplined and have more willpower. So that's why join the brotherhood, link in the description, okay? Okay, now let's move on to the practical advice, okay? I'll give you one actionable step that you can do. And if you do this, actually, it's a huge one. Like, this will build insane willpower. And I'm not talking about, placing a limiter on your phone or trying to delete these apps and placing a blocker and all this kind of different tactics. I'm just talking about one habit that will help you improve your willpower. You just gotta say no in your head. So, all you've got to do is whenever you try to get these urges to go play video games, okay, suppose it's Sunday and it's 2 p.m. Your parents are asleep, everyone is asleep, and you feel like playing video games. At that time, you literally, in your mind, you just say no. You can't just say no to your mind. And over time, if you keep on saying no, you'll build the no muscle. The no muscle is literally like a muscle in the gym. And every rep you do in the gym, I suppose you lift dumbbells and shit, it will build your muscles, right? Exactly like that. Every time you say no, your no muscle will build. And if that builds with at least insane willpower, we just keep saying no over and over and over and over again. And you say it enough times, then it video games won't cut out anymore, bro. Social media won't. And that's when you will become free and you will gain freedom from these video games and social media kind of shit. So all you have to do right now is whenever you get these urges to just play video games, then you just gotta say no in your head. Like literally, you just say no. That's all. So Mal, if you're serious about saving your time and becoming truly disciplined, subscribe to my channel. I talk about stuff every other week. And if you want more value, join the Brotherhood, link in the description. I'll host weekly calls where I'll give you real practical advice that you can implement instantly. And remember, always choose discipline over short-term fun.